Welcome to Data Structures and Algorithms. For today's video, I will discuss bubble sort. Bubble sort is a sorting algorithm that compares two adjacent elements and swap them until they are in the intended order. So, ang bubble sort ay isang algorithm na naghahambing ng dalawang magkatabing elements at pinapalitan ang mga ito hanggang sa mapunta sila sa nilalayong kakasunod-sunod nila. Kaya siya tinawag na bubble sort is because similar to doon sa literal na bubbles on how they move towards the surface. Yung elements natin were slowly removing them toward the desired end of the list. So, binabubble up natin either smallest or largest value na meron tayo sa list. So, we'll have the following pseudocode to be able to implement our algorithms. As you can see, meron tayong nested loop. May dalawa tayong for loop. So, let's have an example. We have the following values. Kailangan natin siyang isort in ascending order and implement natin siya using one-dimensional array. So, we'll have a pseudocode kanina. Proceed tayo sa first iteration. Pag sinabing first iteration, it pertains dun sa ating listed loop. Specifically, dun sa ating outer loop. First loop, start tayo sa first two values na i-compare natin. Sa ating first loop ay ang 25 and 3. So, if we check the condition, makikita natin na mas malaki yung first value doon sa second value. So, we need to swap and then ang magiging order na nila ay 3 and 25. Next, proceed tayo sa second loop. Ito ay nasa loob pa rin ng inner loop. 25 and 45. So, hindi na natin sila kailangan iswap and retain ang kanilang order. Next values for the third loop, 45 and 53. So, ganun din, walang swapping na mangyayari. 45 and 53 will retain ang kanilang order. And then, for the fourth loop, we have 53 and 19. As you can see, 53 are greater than 19. So, kailangan natin silang iswap. After the fourth loop, makikita natin yung 53 ay nasa dulo na. And as you can see, 53 is the largest value na meron tayo sa list. So, ito yung bubble sort natin. Binubble up natin sila slowly. Proceed tayo sa iteration 2. That means, uulitin natin yung process natin dito and then that we needing the following details. Then, for the first loop, ang i-compare ulit natin ay ang 3 and 25. So, walang kailangang mangyaring swapping. Kaya ang order pa rin nila will be the same. Proceed tayo sa 25 and 45. So, ganun din. Same order pa rin. Proceed tayo sa 45 and 19. Since 45 are greater than 19, kailangan natin silang iswap. So, ang new position nyo na will be 19 and 45. As you can see, the 45 ay na-bubble up na din natin siya sa kanyang right position. Kung mapapansin natin ngayon, bago tayo mag-proceed sa iteration 3, sa unang iteration, meron tayong fourth loop sa ating inner loop. And sa iteration 2, meron na lang tayong 3 loops because of the following condition. So, proceed tayo with iteration 3. So, compare natin yung 3 and 25. So, walang mangyayaring swapping. We proceed to 25 and 19. Since 25 is greater than 19, kailangan natin silang iswap. Before we proceed, as you can see, okay na yung tatlong values natin sa ating list. So, proceed tayo sa iteration 4. In iteration 4, meron na lang tayong nag-iisang loop wherein i-compare natin yung 3 and 19. So, hindi na natin sila kailangang i-swap dahil nasa right order na sila. Kung mapapansin natin, nasa right order na yung ating values. So, nasort na natin siya from smallest to largest. So, balikan natin ngayon yung ating pag-compare o pag-sort. From this arrangement in the table green to table orange, ang kanyang new order. So, makikita natin sa table kung paano natin na-implement yung ating bubble sort. So, in iteration 1, yung pula, it means meron tayong swapping na nangyari, which is nag-swap ang 3 and 25 and 19 and 53. Sa iteration 2, ang nag-swap lang ay ang 19 and 45. And then, iteration 3, ang nag-swap lang ay ang 19 and 25. And then, in iteration 4 ay walang nangyaring swapping.